Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. I'm going to do something a little different here. I'm going to swatch two different brands. These are both drugstore, very affordable little palettes. Yes, I broke this one, it dropped and it completely shattered. This was a whitish shimmery color. I'll see if I can scrape out any that's actually in that pan, but yeah, it completely shattered. These are both under $5 and they look similar, so it could be difficult for you in the drugstore to decide which one you want to get. So I decided to swatch them together so you can see. So thanks for tuning in and let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and start with the e.l.f. palette. These don't have names, so I'm just going from left to right. I'm going to try to fit them next to each other. So this is the first. It's coming off. It looks pink right now, but until you see the pink next to it, I promise it's actually more of a peachy shimmer. The next one is, oh wow, look at how purple that looks. It's a pink, kind of, I don't know, dusty pink, but it's looking a little bit purple mauve-y right now. It's kind of nice. I love these little looks that you can make with these. Next one is a medium pink shimmer. I think this one pulls peachy on my eye, but it could be a pink too. Everybody's skin tone is different, so it's going to look different. All right, and then the last one in the e.l.f. palette. This is actually a very dark purple. It has a little bit of gold glitter in it. It's not just because my fingers have swatched other colors, it's actually because there's a little bit of shimmer. So this is a really perfect little palette for smoky eye or just kind of a, gradient kind of thing. Or just one and done shades with these. The shimmers are very pretty. It's blendable, it's pigmented. I really have no complaints about the e.l.f. bite-size palettes. So highly recommend. But let's go ahead and move over to this Wet n Wild palette. This one is called Petalette. I really love this one as well. I'm going to actually swatch it this way so that the darker one is kind of on top. These don't have names either. So starting with the darkest one, which I'm going to put next to this, it's a little more plummy and a little less dark. I'm going to go ahead and skip the next spot in favor of this other matte pink, which is basically the same color. Okay, this pinky, purpley, dusty, mauve-y color. Now I'm going to go back for this middle shade and actually put that here. Again, almost exact. It's a little more red than this one here. And then the fourth one in the Wet n Wild palette I'm going to put here, and this is a lot more silvery, pale pink. I don't think I can get any of the, let me try. If I can't get any of this last pan, it's like impossible. I'll put a picture of it from the website. Yeah, that's not going to work. I tried. There's just nothing left in that pan. So looking very similar. This one, the dark is a lot darker. And the light in the Wet n Wild one is a lot lighter, plus it has a fifth pan that I can't show that has more of like a white shimmer. So you can make up your mind on this. Like I said, similar. They're both extremely affordable. You'll see both of them in the drugstores all the time. I hope this helped you decide which one you want to pick. And thanks for watching another video. We hope to see you in the next one. Bye. And it has a litter bit. I might swap those next two out. Let's see. These don't have colors, but yeah. They have colors, obviously. I hope that worked, because this is the second time I've tried it.